going? Jay here, back again with another Ryobi early Black Friday deal from Home Depot. Just picked this up a few days ago. I think I ordered it on like a Saturday or Sunday, and it showed up on Monday. But it's been sitting here for a couple of days waiting for me to get the camera out to film the video. So we got, I don't know, let's see, a 4-tool kit here. So we're going to open it up, take a look, see what's on the inside of the box. This is my first Ryobi USB Lithium product. So let's flip this camera around and see what's on the inside. Alright, so we got the box open. Let's take a look at what's on the inside. So this, you know, I haven't seen this one before, or maybe I just never looked at them. So this is write a review for a chance to win a $1,000 Home Depot card and register your product. Of course, I'm going to do that. Could always use $1,000 to buy more Ryobi stuff. Anyway, so let's see what we got here. We have a drip tray. This is the stand for the hot glue gun. And here we have the screwdriver bit. Looks like there's only one in here. This is a flathead. I would think it would come with a flathead and a Phillips. Maybe it's buried in there. I don't know. So I have your USB charging cable, and this looks like a couple of extra pieces for the Rotary Tool. So first thing out is the screwdriver. So just twist the bottom off. The lithium battery goes in there. You can put your screwdriver bit right in here to hold it. Let's see. This is a 1-speed forward and reverse. It's kind of cool because you can push this button here and turn it and just use it like a screw gun. It only has a 1-speed, whatever speed that may be. I haven't tried it out yet. So next out we have the Rotary Tool. All right, so you have variable speed here, up to 5, down to 1. You have on off. Then you have a lock button. I assume that is to maybe lock it on. So maybe have it in a stand or something. Again, the battery goes in the bottom. And we're going to put the batteries in here in a little bit whenever I find them. Next in the box we have the glue gun. So your glue stick goes in here. Looks like it's like the mini kind of glue stick, not the real fat ones. And you kind of advance it with these. Power on and off. This goes into the tray, like so. It's a drip tray, and I'm sure you could probably let the glue come out and place some things right underneath there. But most of the time, you're probably just going to pick it up and do what you have to do with it. What else? Toss that over there. So you have 2 batteries. And then we have a Rotary Tool accessory kit. So your little sanders, grinders, polishing pads, a little wrench there to put the tools on and off. I'm not quite sure what this is. I'll have to investigate that for you. 1, 2, 3, and here's the 4th one. The 4th tool is a inspection light, they call it. I'm not sure how many lumens this is, but I will put a little pop-up on the screen for you once I find out. Magnetic base, clip, and pretty good range to move it all around. Multiple different ways. They call it an inspection light. You could also use it as like a little stand-up spotlight or something. It's magnetic. Maybe use it in the car under the hood. But let's get a battery in some of these things and see. Well, not the glue gun. I don't have any glue sticks. Unless they gave me one. Oh, look. There's 3 glue sticks in there. $5 box. Then you have all your manuals, for all the items in here. Let's give one. So you got 2 batteries, 4 tools, some accessories, and yeah, they didn't give you a Phillips head for the screwdriver, so that's kind of weird. I think everybody just uses a flathead, but there's plenty of them around. I'm sure you can buy some, or I have plenty of bits in this house. So let's open this up. See how these batteries go in. Like so. I don't know if they're charged or not. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. It's got little LEDs on the front. Yeah, it's only the 1-speed. Forward, reverse. It's good for, you know, this is like a hobby kit, they call it, or something like that. Let's take that battery out. We'll stick it in the flashlight. Now these can only go in one way. They're kind of, they're flat on one side and rounded on the other. So if it doesn't fit one way, just turn it around. It's probably got to go the other way. The proper way. Anyway. All right, let's see here. Power. That's pretty good amount of light for working on the hobbies or crafts or something, or, you know, looking underneath the RV, which is probably what I would use it for, under the cars, under the hood. So just on and off. No. Oh yeah, you got some different settings there. So you have high, medium, low, and then off. And again, you can fold this over multiple ways. You can flip it over this way. Use the magnet. Let's see if the magnet. There you go. So let's use the other battery. Make sure that one works. And the rotary tool. Yeah, I don't know what this lock is. It's probably for this. I'd have to read the instructions. I haven't had a rotary tool in a long time, so that's the Ryobi 4-piece. I call it a hobby set. I think that's what it was called online. Again, it was an early Black Friday deal, 2023. I'm sure they'll still have it at HomeDepot.com for the next week or so at least. So if you're watching this video any later than Thanksgiving, you can still buy all these. And I don't know, I didn't look them up to see how much they were individually. I will put those in the description or up on the screen, you know, the individual prices for each item. So let's put this back together here. All right, there you have it. That's everything that was in the box. Let me get the charging cable out. Yeah, I'm a little perplexed by them not giving, you know, a Phillips and a flathead bit for this. Like I said, I have plenty of them. Just kind of, you can stick it in here for storage. Or maybe that's where you can put the other one. Put the Phillips in there and use the keep the flathead in it. So to charge these, like I said, these are USB rechargeable. So you don't charge them in the tool. So just regular USB here. You could probably charge it off of your laptop or tablet if you have a port, or any. You get any charging block from like Five Below or something, and then it actually plugs right into the battery to charge it, just like that. I don't know if this lights up or not to indicate if it's charging or charged. If it does, I'll take a picture of it and put it up on the screen here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. These are 2 amp hour batteries. I'm not quite sure if they make them larger. Like, can't go too much bigger because, you know, they have to fit in the tool. But I don't know if maybe there's like a 4 amp hour one or something that might be about the same size. I'll have to look it up. But this is, like I said, going to be my first lithium USB Ryobi tools. They are coming out with more of them. I saw an inflator and like a cutoff tool or something. But I'm gonna start with this. I may be using the glue gun here on some projects. I can always use a light and the Rotary Tool. And maybe some stuff coming up. I don't really know. I'm sure I'll find a use for all this stuff at some point. So take a look in the description below. I'll put some links, flash some stuff up on the screen for you. And if you like this video, please subscribe, click the like button, ring that bell for notifications, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.